Hello YouTube! In this video I will show you 9 steps to optimize your PC for gaming. So let's get right into it. So the first 3 basic steps are pretty easy and you don't have to download any programs for it, as later on in the video. So step 1, you want to hit Windows key R, alright, and you want to type in %temp %. You may all know this one. So you want to hit Ctrl A and delete all those junk files. If you can't delete a file, then just skip it. It's important that a lot of the files will delete it. So if you're done with that, exit out. And step 2 is basically the same. You want to hit Windows key R, and instead of %temp %, you want to hit prefetch. I'm gonna hit continue, and as the other one, Ctrl A, delete. Can't skip a file, can't delete a file, then just skip it. Alright, exit out that. Okay, now you want to go to control panel and go to system. Alright, and go to advanced system settings, and in the visual effects we're gonna head to system options. Now here you can either hit best performance or the other option, the fourth one. I can't explain in English, I'm not an Englishman, but I try my best. Now you could, like me, select these options. Some options, like if you just move this, you can't see the animation. You'll see what I mean if you hit best performance and apply it. You hit OK if you've done that, and exit out of that. Now here are the programs. So if you don't have much space, then don't download these ones, but it's recommended. So the first link will be CCleaner. So start download. I've already done it. So there are 3 versions. You have the free version, you have the professional version, and you have the professional bundle version. Now you don't have to get the paid ones. I mean, the free one does it clearly amazing. So if you downloaded any of the versions, you want to head over to CCleaner. There it is. No thank you. Now you want to select everything that you want to clean of the PC, since it's a cleaner, and you want to hit analyze. It's going to analyze everything, all the junk. You want to hit yes if you are okay with closing Google Chrome. I'm not. I don't agree that, so I'm gonna hit no. Now it detected 8 megabytes. Well, if you've never done this before, it might take up to 1 gig or even 7 or even much more than that. So you want to hit run cleaner after you have analyzed it. Alright. It can take a while. No, there you go. It has deleted 10 megabytes of unnecessary files. Okay, you want to exit out of that. Now the next program will be very handy. It's Driver Booster. Driver Booster free. Now you want to download it just like the previous one, and if you've opened it, it will automatically scan your PC for any drivers that have to be optimized. See, it's scanning here. It will almost be done, and normally there would be something right here marked in red, and it might say optimize or upgrade. Not this. not the yellow one or the orange one, because that is upgrade to pro version and you don't want to buy anything. I mean, like, optimizing your PC is best to be free, alright? Now if you've done that after optimizing all these things, it might be checked here if you can see. Now you want to exile that, and the next download link will be smart defrag for step 6. This is really handy. It's much faster than the smart defrag on Windows itself. I mean, I think so. So slim defrag, I'm gonna hit that one, that button, slim defrag, and it's going to defrag your PC. Put the right files where they need to be, delete files that actually aren't being used, all that stuff. Well, after it, I recommend to restart your PC. And yeah, I've already done it recently, so I don't have to do it again. Might do it later. You can do this weekly, monthly, yearly. I would recommend weekly or just around the month, you know. So step 7, we'll head over to timer resolution 1.2. I'm gonna download that. It's all linked in the description. You don't have to search it. So now let me open up timer resolution.exe, and this was I think my current resolution of my mouse. See? And this is the maximum resolution, and here it will show you your current resolution. What you want to do is hit maximum, and it's going to be 0.500 milliseconds. So yeah, it's going to be much faster, much more responsive. It's handy for in video games, so you don't hit close. You don't have to leave it on. So for step 8, I think you want to head to the last download link. It's called CPU Core Parking Utility, and you want to download this. It's just going to unpark all your CPUs. I'm just going to show how. I'm not going to do it, but I'm going to show how. Alright, so you are going to hit the check status button, okay? And it's gonna take a while. You're gonna see a green circle moving around, you know, it's scanning all your CPUs. Normally under status they will be parked. That's not good. You have to hit this one, unpark all. It's going to take a while again, and afterwards your CPUs will be unparked, so it will be there will be no limit, you know. And it's pretty difficult to explain because I'm not an expert, but it's handy, you know, to get a little more performance. And for the last step 9, you want to head over to system configuration. And how to do that, you want to hit Windows key R and type in msconfig. Now it's going to open up this, and you want to head over to surfaces and hit the checkbox that says hide all Microsoft services. Now you will see these services. I've already done it once, so you can see that they are unchecked. You want to hit disable all, but if you don't want the service to be deactivated, then just reselect it or something. But I'm not gonna do it because some services might even recheck themselves without you knowing, because they are yeah, they need it. So services that need it will actually just reconfigure themselves. So yeah, just hit apply and OK, and it's going to restart your PC, but I'm not gonna do it yet. So yeah, this is the end of the video. So if you like this video, then consider liking the video, of course, and subscribing, as it gains 5%. So consider subscribing, as it will gain you a little bit of performance. I would say like 30 FPS. I've done it before. A friend of me have told me that they subscribed to my channel and they gained almost 30 FPS in GTA 5. I'm not lying. I have proof, but not in this video. So, of course, this is the end. Bye bye.